Whenever you're going to get started with SEO or if you're going to do a normal blogging website, it is very important to start with collaborating with other bloggers out there. Whenever you collaborate with other bloggers out there, you need to do something called as guest blogging. That means if you own a blog, I will be coming to your website and asking you that, hey, can I write this blog post on your site? And if you agree to it, I will be writing a post on your site. And in return, I'll be getting a link. It can be a do follow or it can be a no follow, and it depends on you. If you're writing a blog post for someone else, remember to not copy paste someone else's article and giving it to them. Here, you're going to affect the relationship which you have with this other blogger, and apart from that, their article won't be ranked on Google search as well. There are chances you enroll for this course just because there is no other blogger friend around you. But let me explain you how you can use two tools to find anyone's email address and contact any blogger out there. So if you want to get started, you can use a tool called as dropmylink.com. Now here, if you want to get started, then you can create a new account. So what I'm going to do is, once you are logged into this tool, you will be able to see this kind of a dashboard. So here, you can add any niche you like. So for example, whatever niche you are in. So for example, if you are interested in digital marketing as a niche, and your blog is about digital marketing, so here you can search digital marketing. Now, here you can select any time, and if you want to see more results, then you can click on 30 results. And if you want a backlink from .edu or .gov website, then you can also select that. I will never suggest you to do that, so just select any TLD. Now here, what do you really want? So for example, here I need guest post because I want to collab with other bloggers out there. So I can click on guest post, the people who are accepting a guest blog. So there are a lot of footprint which you can add. So first I will be selecting accepting guest post and I will click on search button. Now this will automatically open Google for me. Right now I need to select Enroll. Now here you will be able to see all the bloggers who are interested in guest posting. So here you will be able to see top 50 guest blogging website for digital marketing. I'm going to click on this second website. Third, Neil Patel is also the one, so I'm not going to select that. So let's go to some other blogs out there. Now once you have opened 50 blog posts, what you can do is you can just scroll down, and here you will be able to see that the people who are interested in guest posting. So here you can click on the submission form and write an article for them. So here they are also writing about what are the rules and regulations for them if you want to write a blog post for them. So here you can read about them, submit your content, and you can give your applications to them. There are a lot of other blog posts as well. So for example, if this is the person called as violating.com. So if they are accepting guest posts, you need to contact them. So here you can click on contact us, and you can enter the first name, last name, company name, and send them an email. Or if you are interested in it, then you can also write on press@volacti.com, and there are some more URLs over here. There are more email addresses over here as well. So here, this tool called as dropmylink.com will help you to do something like this. There are some pages where they don't have a contact us button. So here you will see nightwatch.io. Here they're giving a direct application link. So if you want to apply for it, you can directly apply it. Now let's say there are some pages or there are some websites where you want to contact them, but they don't have a contact us page. So what you can do is you can visit to a website called as hunter.io. Here you can sign in with this tool. Signing in with my account. Here I can select any company name. So for example, if I want to find nightwatch.io and click on it, here I will be able to find their email address. You can pick any people from here. Do you want to find someone from Instagram or Facebook? You can search facebook.com. Okay, facebook.com we don't find anything. So let's find Instagram. If I click on Instagram, here you will be able to find all these email addresses from there. But there are chances these emails might be fake as well. So don't completely rely on this. If you want to find someone from some other company, so for example, if I want to find someone from Shebang, it's a digital marketing agency, So here you will be able to find their email address as well. So this way you can use the combination of drop my link as well as hunter.io to find anyone's email address and send them an email. But always make sure that whenever you are sending an email to them, make sure that it is personalized and you are not sending a big email which they are not going to read it and they are going to click on the delete button. Drop my link and hunter.io are my favorite tools. If I want to contact anyone, I will be using this tool to find out anyone's email address and anyone's website. Remember one thing, if you're going to get started with guest posting, there are a lot of chances that you contact other bloggers and they will be asking you for money. Buying a link by paying money is not allowed by Google search. So remember not to pay any money if you want to get a backlink from some other website out there.